In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage uncleared transactions in QuickBooks Online effectively. Efficiently handling these transactions is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records, so let's take a step-by-step journey to get it right. First, you'll want to open up your internet browser. For the best experience, I recommend using Google Chrome. Once you have your browser open, head over to quickbooks.intuit.com and sign in with your credentials. This will bring you to your QuickBooks Online dashboard, where all your financial management tools are at your fingertips. Once you're in, locate the sidebar on the left-hand side. You're looking for banking, or for some of you, it might be under transactions, then banking. This section is where we can view all bank-related activities and transactions that have been processed through QuickBooks. Next, you'll need to select the bank account you're focusing on. This would be the account where any uncleared transactions are hanging around. Click on the account to bring up a list of transactions associated with it. Now that you're viewing your transactions, let's dive into reviewing them. Find the tabs labeled Categorized and For Review. These two sections host all your current transactions. As you review, keep an eagle eye out for anything marked as uncleared or any entries that don't seem to sync with your bank statements. It's important to identify these discrepancies to ensure your financial snapshot is accurate. You've identified the transactions, and now it's decision time: match or exclude. If you find a transaction in QuickBooks that matches up with your bank record, link them together by matching them. This ensures your records are consistent and clear. On the other hand, if there are duplicates or transactions entered in error, highlight these and click Exclude to remove them from your register. This step helps you avoid clutter and confusion later on. Occasionally, you may need to manually clear some transactions. To do this, navigate to Accounting and then go to your chart of accounts. Find the relevant bank account and click View Register. This is where you'll see any uncleared transactions clearly presented. If a transaction has indeed cleared your bank, you'll want to mark it as cleared by simply adjusting its checkmark status. This action keeps your QuickBooks records in sync with your bank records. If there are unnecessary transactions you recognize as old errors, don't let them linger. Open each of these entries and select Delete to clean your slate. Finally, after you've sorted through and tidied up your transactions, it's time to reconcile your bank account. This final step ensures that your QuickBooks balance aligns with your bank statement, providing peace of mind that your records are shipshape. By carefully following these steps, you'll have a clear and accurate financial record in QuickBooks Online, which is essential for making informed financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more financial tips and tricks.